I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to disable biometric login on Cash App, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. This is where you'll manage your account settings. Step 2. Go to Profile. Tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select Privacy and Security. Scroll down and find the Privacy and Security option. This is where you can adjust your security settings. Step 4. Disable biometric login. Look for the option that says biometric login and toggle it off. This will disable fingerprint or facial recognition for logging in. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Remember, if you accidentally toggle the wrong option, you can always go back and change it again. I hope this helps you manage your Cash App settings more comfortably.